Hi, this is IK. Welcome to video about Redux predictable state management. I ask Chat GPT what means predictable, and answer is this is predictable. This is predictable. Use dispatch hook we use for dispatch action to reducer, and on base of that action and reducer, by immutable way mutate state, and after that hook users use selector, take that new state and display on the screen, and we can read. My question was, what means predictable state management system? And the answer of Chat GPT was, in the context of Redux, a predictable state management system means that the state of your application is stored in a single immutable data structure called the store. The store is updated using actions, which are plain JavaScript object. Plain JavaScript object, it is my next question to Chat GPT, but in the next video. Okay, which are plain JavaScript object that describe a change to the state. The updates are processed by reducers, which are pure function. Again, one of my video would be pure functions that take the current state and an action as input and return a new state as output. Before enforcing this structure, Redux provides a predictable way to manage the state of your application. Predictable way. Any changes to the state are explicitly defined by actions and the reducers that process those actions are pure functions that produce the same output for the same output for the same input every time. This means this makes it easier to reason about behavior of your application and to debug issues related to the state. In addition, the use of single immutable store makes it easier to implement features like time travel debugging, where you can step through the history of your application's state changes to diagnose problems. Overall, a predictable state management system in Redux means that you have a clear and consistent way to manage the state of your application, which can lead to more maintainable and scalable code. I publish a lot of video about Redux. I get step by step. I learn from original documentation, and I like Redux. This new version of Redux Toolkit is excellent thing, and absolutely a good thing for growing fan of Redux. And now, after that lot of video about Redux, I enjoy to produce this video. This video is theory. This video is about predictable, and I don't like start my book or my video school start by definitions, because from definitions we cannot learn anything. But I like start with example, and after that we know what this text means here. But a lot of time in my video we see that diagram, and we script that diagram. We use that diagram to scripting, and now we know what means predictable. Predictable here is we strictly in Redux. Redux is pattern. It is this design pattern for state management, and that pattern is straightforward. There is element, and always the same element. There is a store, there is a dispatch, selector, reducer, state, immutable way, and always like that. And because it means predictable. About pure function, reducer is pure function, and about plain object, action is plain object. I will talk in my next video. Thank you for watching this video.